Hi guys, welcome back to the Lokanath lectures. I'm really feel excited to introduce a brand new concept. The concept is Java. So in our YouTube channel, we are started to discuss about the Java. So the core Java we are introduced in our YouTube channel. This course is especially designed for completely beginners. Completely beginners. So this course is designed for completely beginner level to advanced level. So mainly if you guys are check it with this, so this course is s- designed especially for students, sorry, especially designed for students and beginners and who wants to learn Java or any programming languages. So for example, so this is the programming subject is not only we are having in our world, so we are having the number of programming languages are available in a market. So but this course is really useful for who wants to learn Java programming. Okay, so students and beginner levels, సో ఎవరైతే జావా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ నేర్చుకోవాలనుకున్నారో లేకపోతే రిలేటెడ్ టు జావా కంటెంట్, these videos are especially useful for you guys. So by the doing of subscribing the Lokanath Lectures YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the course content we are discussing in our YouTube channel or Java course or Java playlist. So if you guys are check it with this content, we are having completely 20 modules. We are having completely 20 modules. So introduction to programming and Java, on Java architecture, Java environment setup, variables, so data types, operators in Java, control statement, looping statements అంటే ఏంటి, object oriented programming అంటే ఏంటి, so constructors and inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, strings, arrays, exception handling, collections, multi-threading, packages, and జావా డేటాబేస్ కనెక్టివిటీ. సో జావాకి డేటాబేస్కి కనెక్టివిటీ ఎలా చేస్తాం. సో దిస్ కంప్లీట్లీ 20 మాడ్యూల్స్ వీఆర్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్డ్ ఇన్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో కంప్లీట్గా ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ అండ్ విత్ writing of a Java programming, we will do the videos and explain it clearly in detail. So by the discussing of the in detail and clearly, so the people can able to understand easily. Okay, and one more thing, guys. So this is the slide. If you guys observe, so this is my request and order for few people. So this is the my especially request for you guys are all the students and friends, seniors, and respected sir, madam. So if I have explained anything incorrectly in my YouTube channel, so for example, if I did anything mistakes in our videos, and if I'm trying to explain and unuseful things, and if I ignored to explain the main concepts, so if I did any mistakes in our videos, anything else will be happen wrong, so please let me know. Is better for me to improve my YouTube channel as well as the content. It's better for you guys also, the content who are watching the videos. Okay, so this is especially for my request. Okay, so if any improvements are required in our YouTube channel or as well as communication and as well as the content and anything else are required to improve, please let me know. This is my request for all the audience. So thank you so much for my wonderful audience. Okay. So this is the introduction video only. Okay, so just today in this video we are introducing a brand new concept Java course, and especially for completely beginners, for students beginners, and this is the complete content. And so, thank you so much. And in the upcoming videos, yes, we are doing the videos. So the first module, introduction to programming, like what is programming, and so what is Java, and what is the who are invented this Java programming and history of Java. These are all things we will do in the upcoming video or the first module. Okay, so please do watch our videos and follow our YouTube channel Lokinath Lectures. So Thank you so much for my wonderful audience one more time. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much.